Hey everybody, it's Natasha with The Food Factor, and this applesauce, I think you're gonna like it because it's a perfect balance of sweet and tart. It has cranberries, cinnamon, and you can never go wrong with apples. Let's get into it. Okay, we're gonna start off with our apples, and these are roughly chopped, and you're gonna need a large saucepan, so I'm gonna put those in there. And then you need your cinnamon and your salt, and of course you're going to need water. Now when you look at the recipe, you'll notice it has brown sugar in it. I'm not including the brown sugar because I'm doing the substitution by using a can of cranberry sauce instead of fresh or frozen cranberries. Okay, we put all of our ingredients in. You want to bring everything to a boil. And once it starts to boil, make sure you put the cover on and let it simmer for 15 minutes. All right, 15 minutes has passed. We're gonna put the cranberry sauce in. And I went ahead and kind of sliced the cranberry sauce up just to make it easier. And I'm gonna stir it. We're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna let it cook for another 15 minutes. All right, now it's time to make the applesauce. We have removed them from the heat, and let's mash them with a potato masher. I'm ready to eat.